Today may not be one of the most peaceful days of your life, and that's okay. A lot of us have those days sometimes. Whether you're just starting or whether you're at the end, you can still change the outcome of today. Let go of any negative energy. Please put it behind you. Rid yourself of that negative energy. You will not allow it to weigh you down. You are strong. You are light. You are peace. You are positive energy. Let your light shine. Allow your light to be the fire beneath your feet that shoots you up the positive energy spectrum, and you rise, and you rise, and you rise. Continue to rise. Leave the dark energy behind. The dark energy is destroyed by the fire beneath your feet. The positive energy fills your body. The peace takes over, and you are love. You are light. You are the power that is within you. You are positive energy. The positive energy dwells within you because the positive energy is you. We only allow positive energy to remain. We only allow positive energy to be within us, to be around us. Positive energy. Positive energy. You are positive energy. You are peace. You are love. Every word that you speak can be filled with positive energy because you are positive energy.